Hello, Maurits here again. Let us look at yet another example of integration by substitution. In this case, we will look at the integral of x squared sine x cubed dx. And we start with look at some part that if you take derivative of that will give us the same thing as a factor of this whole thing. So if we take the derivative of x to the power 3, we get 3x to the power 2. That essentially is the same as x to the power 2, except for a constant factor. And constant factors we can always sort out in the end. I will rearrange this slightly. So we say the integral of sine of x cubed x squared dx. So we keep the things that we'll get in our derivative together. So now we can do our substitution. U equals to x to the power of 3. Since if we take the derivative of that, du dx, we get 3x to the power of 2, which essentially is the x squared part. But we have to rearrange this a bit. So multiply up the dx. So get du equals to 3x squared dx. And we have this pesky 3 we need to sort out. I divide that away. So I get a du divided by 3 equals to x squared dx. And now we have everything we need for the substitution, because the x to the power 3 here will be replaced by u, and the x squared dx will be replaced by du divided by 3. So that means that we get sine of u times du divided by 3. And to divide by 3 is the same thing as to having a factor of 1/3 in front, so to multiply by 1/3. And when we integrate, we keep that factor, right? So this will be 1/3 times the integral of sine, which is minus cos. So we get a minus in front here, cos of u plus c. Then we can substitute back the x cubed, right? So we get minus 1/3 cos of x to the power of 3. And then plus c. How can we check if this is right? As usual with integrals, we can check if our result is right by taking the derivative of the result. So we take the derivative of this, minus 1/3 cos of x to the power 3, derivative of that, keep the minus 1/3. And now we have cos of x to the power 3, so that is a function of a function. We need to use the chain rule. So derivative of cos is minus sine. So we get minus sine of x to the power 3 times the inner derivative of this, which is 3x squared, right? And now we can see we can cancel the 3 against the 3 and the minus against the minus to get, and now I will slightly rearrange this, x squared sine x cubed, which is exactly what we expect to get. And this is what we started with, so this integral was working. Yay! Thank you.